Hi everybody, welcome to Tarot by Lavina, and today we are going to talk about the healing process, and today we are going to do pranic healing. So let me brief you up a little bit about pranic healing. Pranic healing works more on intense problems, diseases, any kind of illnesses, and if you want to get rid of something permanently like say migraine, high headaches, sinuses, lung infections, if you have blockages in your heart, or if you have low BP, high BP, if you have anxiety, stress issues, or anything related to PCOD, or so these girls nowadays girls face a lot of problems with menstrual cramps and a lot of PCOD problems, PCOS. So any of those problems that you're going through, you can get permanently rid of them. So how would you feel if you can get rid of your own problems by yourself by just doing some kind of healings? So I would advise you to go in for something natural, where you can help yourself and your family with all these kind of techniques. So let me introduce Reena to you. Today she has come to me for a healing, and let me show you how we go about with these healings. So what we do is, the aura of the person is very important. Or your aura is basically your outer covering. That is, we have 7 layers outside our main body, and these 7 layers are very very important to be protected, because it's like protecting, it's like shielding your body with something very very powerful, so that nothing enters your body without your permission. So when your aura is protected and it is energized very nicely, it's like building your immunity. So once your immunity is strong, no disease can touch you. So what we do is we clean the aura of the person first. So we totally clean the aura. So here I am cleaning her aura. Now this we do generally for about 30 to 40 times. Okay, so I'm just showing you how we do this. So we have to go totally down and then do it. Now I wouldn't advise you to do it before you learn the techniques, because this is just a demo of how we do the healings. Once we clean the front aura, we also clean the back aura of the person. So after we clean the entire aura of the person, 50% you will be fine only by cleaning the aura of the person. So I have cleaned her aura, and I have done a general sweeping of all her chakras. So let me tell you, this is your third eye chakra, this is your throat chakra, this is your heart chakra. Just above the navel is your solar plexus, below the navel is your navel chakra, and this is your back heart chakra. Again, this is your back solar plexus, and this is your root chakra. So when all these chakras are aligned, you are in perfect health. You will not suffer from anything. But the moment one chakra goes up for a toss, say for example, if her throat chakra is not working properly, so she will experience, now these are the upper chakras. Up to the heart, these are the upper chakras, these are the lower chakras. So when you get anything here, your other upper chakras also get disturbed. When you get anything down, say solar plexus, then your lower chakras get affected. So what we do is, in the last video we have spoken about balancing the chakras. So we scan the chakra and we see first whether the chakras are aligned. Now after checking, now you have to have a normal balance of the chakras. Now this is the normal size of the chakra. So if your chakras are of this size, if all of them are of the same size, that means the person is in perfect health. Then we also check the chakras behind, because sometimes if your solar plexus, for example, is energized, it's in balance, it may be imbalanced behind. So what we have to do is we have to bring that chakra also in balance. Now Reena has perfect chakras. Her chakras are all in one line. So she is in perfect health. Now in case if she's trust, suffering from some or the other problem, then what we do is, after scanning, if we realize that maybe one of our chakras is enlarged or it is too small. Now, when it is too small, that means the chakra is weak. It is not functioning properly. If it is too big, it is enlarged, that means it is overdoing. It is doing something in excess, which is not good. So what we do is, this is how we clean the chakra, by infusing some colors. So we clean this chakra and then we energize the chakra by using colors. Now there are different colors used while doing the healings. Then we scan the chakra again and we stabilize it. So similarly, we do this for all the chakras. Again, check the balance, whether they are well balanced. Once all the chakras are well balanced, the person is fit and fine. So this is a little demo on how we clean and energize the chakras and how we stabilize them. So if you want to know more about these courses, or if you want to know more about how about we do all this, you can always contact me, DM me on any of the platforms that you follow me, and I'll definitely give you a small demo. You can take one free session from me, and we can get back to any queries that you're looking for. So see you soon, and bye bye.